Atta girl. Atta girl right there on video.
Oh my God, he's still here.
Alright. It's alright. Atta girl.
What did I say?
Big Ten Outdoors, Saturday morning, 2025 youth turkey season. Me, Madey, Mason's behind the camera. We set up on this field. We're looking both directions. Madey's got softball practice at 11. It was 8 o'clock. I said, we'll wait till 8:30. Madey started to get a little cold. So I said, all right, let's pack up. And right before we started packing up, I said, you watch. When we're packing up, there's gonna be a tom come out to this field. I'm winding the rope for the spinning strut up. Mason and Madey had all this stuff right here, just like this. Gun was unloaded, and 2 toms come out down by the sand hill. So I quick got the kids in the blind, grabbed the gun, put the 2 shells in it, gave a little yelp, and those 2 toms came right in. Madey had to shoot off her knees because all the chairs were out here. I quick grabbed the shooting stick. She did have a shooting stick. Let's go see what you got, Schmood. Come on, Big Ten. You gotta. Madey's first tom.
Hold it.
Just like this. He's been fighting in here. Tail feathers are a little out. We got a big 10-inch beard. Tail feathers are a little messy. Let's see his hooks. The guys like to see the hooks. He's probably got 7/8, maybe 3/4, maybe 7/8 of an inch hook. 2-year-old bird. Pick him up. See how heavy you think he is. Come on, stand up. How heavy you think he is?
40?
40?
No.
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 Let me see. Oh, I bet you he's 20 pounds. Maybe 22. We'll weigh him when we get home. What do you think?
It's a nice bird.
Heck yeah. Come on, here we go. Thanks for running the camera, Mace. Big Ten Outdoors.